This video is to show you how to create a presentation file from an assembly file. So let's get started. You're going to create a new type of file, a presentation file. And so you're going to go to New, Presentation, or you can click on the New button and find it all the way at the bottom, Part, Assembly, Drawing, and it's this presentation type, standard. And the first thing you're going to need to do is create a view. And the view is just the assembly that you're going to be exploding apart. So you're going to find whichever assembly. I'm using the puzzle cube, but any assembly you create for any project, you could separate the pieces with an exploded view. And then you open it up. And for some reason this came in at a bad view, so I'm going to click on Home and see if that fixes it, and that fixes it. So now we have front right top. And all you do is start clicking on Tweak Components to pull the pieces apart. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Tweak Components. It doesn't matter what order you go in or really where you put them as long as you get everything separated fully. So I'm first going to pull this blue piece. I'm actually going to pull it back, so you just click on the arrow of the direction you want to go. And then I'm going to pull it to the side as well. And when you like where it is, you just click on the plus, which means apply, and then you can select a different piece to move. Next, I'm going to go ahead and move this orange piece back a little bit, and I'll move it. I'm going to move this menu out of the way, and then I'll move it up a little bit. And then I'm going to move, got to click apply. Now I'm going to move the red piece out this way. And see, add a little more, maybe even down a bit, and then click apply. And I'm going to move the purple piece. I think I'll move it back this way. And it would actually make more sense to move it this way, because for this piece to go together, it would need to be on this side of the yellow piece. So I'm going to move it this way and then down a little bit. And you don't need to move the yellow piece unless you just want to, because everything's fully separated. I can click apply, or I can click OK at this point. And so these pieces are fully separated. There's not really a right or wrong way to do this as long as everything is apart and you can see the lines connecting it back to the kind of center piece. And so we're done with the explosion. So all you need to do is do File, Save As. Make sure that it's on your Y drive in the folder that you want it to be in, which would be, in my case, the Puzzle Cube project. And then you just save your file.